It's a bird bath. It's a bird bath. That's what it's called. Okay, don't scare him. Oh, he's taking a bath. Give me a bath. Give me a bath. Yeah, you're pretty. Now he's gonna dry out. Oh, you're gonna dry up? Oh, you like the bird bath, huh? Yeah, you like it. I'm gonna dry the feathers now. Ow, you get me all wet. Now he knows where the bird bath is. Oh yeah, you know where the bird bath is now. Okay, then we don't have to worry about that. We showed you that. Now you gotta start eating bird food. Yeah. You eat worms. Yeah.
I can eat worms.
You eat worms. You're splashing your water all over me. You want to go in your house? You want more food? And did that bath make you hungry? Pretty content.